Wala sila magpugas ug mag-ani aron ilang tigumon sa kamalig. Apan giatiman sila sa inyong amahan nga tuwa sa langit. Dili ba mas bilihon pa paman kamo kaysa sa mga langgam? So ito yung talagang sa akin. Kunyari may mga anxiety, may mga series tayo ng anxiety, kung yung mga uncertainties sa buhay natin, yung mga challenges na darating sa atin. Yun lang yung kinuhugutan ko ng lakas ng loob na kung yung mga ibon na nakikita natin sa labas, nabubuhay naman, gaano pa tayo na mas importante naman tayo sa Diyos. Guten Tag! Welcome to the beautiful Switzerland. I'm Dexy Jimenez, 39 years old, tubong Davao, fashion consultant dito sa Switzerland, and this is my MX3 story. Since 2009, breadwinner na ako ng family. I used to work in Singapore before I moved to Switzerland. Focus ako sa support sa aking family, and they were 5. And constant yung communication namin with the social media. Sila talaga yung aking inspirasyon kung bakit nandito ako. I'm now 10 years here in Switzerland. I'm working as a fashion consultant. I really feel at home sa Switzerland. So, ang isang struggle lang, siyempre malayo ka sa pamilya mo, yung mga namimiss mo. Nakakatulong na to combat homesickness is isa yung pagkaing Pilipino at yung mga products na nakaka-relate tayo, kagaya ng MX3. And sa 10 years ko dito, yung priority ko talaga is alagaan ang aking kalusugan. It's part of a Swiss culture. Like, they really watch what they eat and they really live a healthy life. And pasok talaga sa akin tong MX3, especially that I'm from Davao. And we always support the homegrown products of Davao. I'm happy that gumagamit ako ng MX3 kasi it has anti-inflammatory properties and sa work ko, 4-story yung building at I'm walking and running here and there. So kailangan ko talaga yung stamina to survive the day. Like especially me, I live like outside of Zurich, like 1 hour, 30 minutes one way. So kailangan mo talaga yung stamina. Tapos mag-work ka ng 9 hours. Tapos uwi ka pa, magluluto ka pa sa asawa mo. So kailangan mo talaga ng lakas. And yung tea at saka yung capsule, yung aking ginagamit. Kasi it's really big help sa akin. It was introduced to me by a friend. Kasi like 5 years ago, I have like troubles with my health. Like I gained like 10 kilos. So I think that's the time I was like watching what I eat. I watch my diet and I eliminate those unhealthy food and then continue to use the capsule and the tea. I can really say that MX3 really works for me, especially in my line of job. Me and my husband, we always go to the gym together. Because when I go to the gym, it's also like therapy for me. Like my mind is clear and my only focus is like getting healthy and like I need to sweat up. Kaya we continue to do it. Ang MX3, they really advocate for people to live their best life. Katulad ko, I really want to give back to the community as well. Ang nagpapasaya sa akin, if I can contribute something, not just to my family, it's really like more how you give back to the community. Because minsan marami tayong mga problema na minsan hindi talaga natin alam yung sagot. So yung ating strength is yung talagang paniniwala lang natin. I always pray for health, security, and that's it. Yung mga dreams ko in life, I exceeded them. Growing up, I just like a very small dream, and then now I'm like here in Switzerland, I can do what I want, like I can go to the places that I want to travel. Sa mga kababayan natin dyan sa Pilipinas, labi na gyud diha sa mga taga Davao. Gamit na taog MX3 para padayon ang atong kahimsog. MX3 is imaser good. Be extraordinary with MX3.